Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you haven't been here before. I've been a little bit sick over the last few days. I've had the flu, so I sound a little bit snotty or blocked up in this video, so I apologise for that. But I haven't been very active lately, and I just really wanted to get another look out there for you guys to see. And also I wanted to continue on with my Lime Crime Venus series. So today's look is a bit of a grunge smoky eye, and I created this using the Venus 2 palette. So I'll give you guys a look. Quite a different range of shades there, so I decided to stick with the warmer tones for this one. Today's look is a little bit more simple. There's no cut crease or halo eye. It's basically just a blown out smoky eye. I love the way that the shimmer makes the eyes look a bit like wet and glossy. So if you would like to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so the first color that we're going to be using from this palette is this shade here, which is called Mud, and I'm popping that on this regular eyeshadow brush and packing it onto the eyelid up into the crease a little bit, but keeping it quite dense and packed on. Because we're going to be going in with a different shade and using that to blend it out. Okay, now we've got that dark brown packed onto the lid. I'm going to be blending it out using this fluffy blending brush and this shade here, which is called Mustard. Now that we've blended the edges of the eyeshadow out, I'm going to go back in with the little eyeshadow brush and that shade Mud, and just going to darken up the eyelid a little bit more and blend it out a bit as well. Okay, now we're going to be adding a little bit of shimmer onto the eyelid. So I'm going to be taking this shade here called Pigeon and just popping that on my little finger and spreading that across the lid where I've put the dark brown. The shade's like a dark brown kind of reddy colour with a bluey green shift. Okay, now we're going to be smoking out the lower lash line. So for the darkest shade Mud, I'm going to be using the small pencil eyeshadow brush, and then I'm going to be going back in with the Mustard and blending that out using this regular eyeshadow brush. Okay, now we've got the lower lash line smoked out and the whole look is looking very grungy and smoky. We're just going to be adding some eyeliner to the waterline, and I'm going to be using this brown eyeliner by NYX. Alright, now we're just going to be adding a highlight colour. So I'm using this is a lip brush, but all my other little brushes are dirty. So I'm using this one instead, and taking this shade here called Fly. It's like a yellow, gold, green shift, and I'm applying this to my inner corners and my brow bone. For highlighting on the rest of my face, I'm just going to be using my trusty Lime Crime Opals highlight. I'm going to use this fan brush by Lime Crime just for my cheek highlight, and then I'll just use my finger for my cupid's bow and the tip of my nose. Now I'm just going to be putting on a couple of coats of mascara. So I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Perversion mascara. For my lips, I'm just going to be putting on a clear gloss. So I'm just going to grab a little wipe and just wipe off the foundation that I've got on my lips, so that you can actually see that there's lip there and not just shiny skin. And now time for gloss. So the lip gloss that I'm going to be using is my Wet Cherry Gloss by Lime Crime in the shade Cherry Slime. And last but not least, it's time for lashes. So the lashes that I'm going to be using are these ones by XO Beauty, and they're in the style Exotic. I'm just going to put these on off camera and I'll be back to show you how it looks. Okay, so this is the completed look. As always, I would love to see any recreations that you have of this look. So if you have the Venus 2 palette and you want to give it a go, then make sure you give me a tag so I can see it. This video is part 4 of my Lime Crime Venus series. If you haven't seen the other videos, I'll pop them down below in the description for you guys. I will be uploading the Lime Crime Venus, the original Venus palette look, in 2 days. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video as much as I have creating it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't ever miss any single video from me. I hope you guys have a good day and I will see you in the next one.